Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to give you your list of 10 words that you are going to spell today. Pause the video in between each word so you have enough time to spell it, or you can start over from the beginning. I want you to do your best, no peeking, and sound out the words. Let's get started. Your first word is agree, across, around, panda, amaze, China, tundra, animals, adult, and your final word is balloon. Make sure you spell those 10 words in your notebook and send a picture of it to me when you're finished. Bye.